Hi everyone! Today we will talk about how to fix Instagram posts. To know how to fix Instagram posts, you should just go to settings. As you see, we will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, and when you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram here, as you see. And then in this page you will go to force stop. When you will click for stop, you will go to click storage here like this, and then in this page you will click clear clear cache, and then you will click clear data. After all that, you can turn off your Wi-Fi here, as you see like this, and then you can know how to fix Instagram posts. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you.